So, one thing I hear often from families is that they're concerned about their child's challenging behavior.
My name is Nancy Marchese. I'm a board-certified doctoral level behavior analyst and a clinical psychologist. My goal is to help 2 million children with autism and their families by transforming their lives, and I can't wait to help you too.
Either they're a risk to themselves or someone else, and they're looking to get those challenging behaviors to stop. My advice to you is this: it's not enough to just try to figure out how to stop it because it serves a purpose. There's no reason that your child is engaging in challenging behavior. It's serving some kind of purpose or function in their life. It could be to access things, it could be to escape something that's super tough, or potentially to get attention. And step one, most importantly, is to figure out what purpose does this challenging behavior serve? Why does that matter? Because that leads to treatment. That tells us what to do about it. So, as a step one, if you want to help your child reduce any types of challenges that are happening in their life, you need to figure out the why. Get yourself a board-certified behavior analyst who can do something called a functional assessment. And that's how we do the detective work in figuring out why your child is engaging in challenging behavior. Once we can figure out the why, it's not enough to just stop it. Because it serves a purpose, we want to replace it. Replace it with a functional skill. So let's say they're engaging in something that's risky to themselves because they're trying to get out of some type of work that's super tough for them. Then what we want to do is replace the challenging behavior with a skill, like saying, "This is really hard for me," or "I need help." At the end of the day, in order to stop your child from being a risk to themselves or potentially a risk to others, there are two key things. One is to figure out the why, do that functional assessment, get yourself a board-certified behavior analyst to help. And number two is to replace it with skills that can serve the same purpose. Do those two things and you'll be well underway in helping your child live their best life.
There's only so much we could cover in the short amount of time we had today. If you found value in what we talked about, go to breakthroughautism.ca, join our newsletter, and also follow me on my socials.